Hey there. If you're here, you're probably looking for the best deal on NordVPN. Great news, I've got you covered. Just click the link in the description or check the comments for the latest offers. You'll always get the best prices because I keep those links fresh and up to date. Now, NordVPN has a few different plans to choose from, and picking the right one comes down to how much protection you want for your data. Let me break it down for you. The basic plan is a great entry point if you're just looking for a solid VPN. You get a secure, high-speed connection and the ability to protect up to 10 devices at the same time. It's perfect for anyone who needs reliable encryption and global access to streaming or torrenting, but doesn't need all the extras. If you want a bit more security, the Plus plan gives you that extra peace of mind. On top of the same high-speed VPN and 10-device protection, you get Threat Protection Pro. This feature blocks ads, trackers, and even malicious sites. Plus, it comes with anti-malware protection to keep your downloads safe. It's a step up if you want more control over your online security without going overboard. Then there's the Complete plan. This is where things really get interesting. In addition to everything the Plus plan offers, it gives you 1 terabyte of encrypted cloud storage. So not only are you protecting your online privacy, but you're also getting a secure space to store your important files, photos, and documents. It's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their data safe but also wants the convenience of cloud storage, all wrapped up with the same high-level security NordVPN is known for. If you want the ultimate peace of mind, the Prime plan has everything, and I mean everything, you could need. You get all the features from the Complete plan, plus some next-level protection, identity theft insurance, cyber extortion coverage, and even credit monitoring. If you're someone who takes online security seriously, or you just want to protect your identity in today's digital world, this plan has you covered with up to $1 million in identity theft insurance. Each plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in giving it a try. You can test out the features for yourself and see which one fits your needs best. And of course, with the link in the description, you're locking in the best deal available. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to grab that link before the offer ends. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.